Hello everyone, this is Drew from Best of Us Investors working with Mark on the Platinum Trading platform. As you may know, if you have been a subscriber on the channel for some time now, Mark, who has been successfully investing for over 40 years and warned us to get out of the market in 2021 November when the market was at its peak, is now helping our subscribers on swing trades, analyzing more than 1,000 companies each week based on 10 indicators and sharing the ticker symbols of the stocks that are set up for good uptrends every day, along with weekly Zoom calls for Q&As with the members. So if you might be interested in our service, please make sure you check the link in the description below. So it seems like we had another great week in the market, and as you can see here, we also had another great week with our swing trades. So in today's video, I wanted to share 3 stocks that were mentioned on our watch list, which we shared with the Platinum members that could have made you approximately $3,000 if you were to trade 100 shares each. So let's get right into it. The first one was a stock that was actually shared last week, which is Cummins Incorporation, ticker symbol CMI. The stock was first shared at $217.80, which would be this area in the graph when it passed through the 9 and the 20 SMA. And ever since then, the stock had a great up move last week, crossing the 50 SMA, and for this week, it even passed by the 200 SMA, as you can see here. For this stock, the 200 SMA has now become the support level and is still in its uptrend momentum based on the indicators. If you bought 100 shares of this stock when it was first mentioned on our list and held it for 2 weeks and decided to sell last Friday, you could have made over $2,000 through this one trade. Now again, this is not financial advice, and all we are doing is sharing all the research and chart analysis so that the members can make a better decision based on their risk tolerance and investment style or investment strategy. Now the second stock for this week was Raymond James Financial, ticker symbol RJF. This stock was also mentioned last week when the stock price was at $90.23, as you can see here. Now ever since then, the stock has nicely been moving up following the 9 SMA, and for this week, the stock has also been following the 9 SMA and heading toward the 200 SMA, which would be a strong resistant level. Now based on the indicators, the stock is still in a bullish momentum. So when swing trading, since it is very important to have a guideline that you follow when determining when to sell, Mark is educating members and having weekly Zoom Q&As so that the members can have a better understanding on analyzing the charts and be able to set their own stop losses or levels to take profits on their swing trades. So for RJF, if you bought 100 shares when it was first mentioned on our watch list and sold last Friday when the stock went up to around $100, you would have made approximately $1,000 trading 100 shares. Now for our third stock that had a great run-up was Genuine Parts Company, ticker symbol GPC. Now this is a type of stock that Mark educates us to keep an eye on, where the stock had a nice downfall but is recovering and starting to gain upward momentum. This stock has now passed the 9 SMA and is still in an upward momentum, as you can see in the graph. So in this case, the stock was first shared at $155.82 when the stock closed above the 9 SMA, and ever since then, the stock has been nicely climbing up all the way to the 50 SMA. Now for those that may be risk adverse, you may want to take some profits at this level, where Mark educates the members that the SMAs might be strong resistant levels. But for those that may be more risk tolerant, you can also think of selling half the position and leaving the remaining half to catch the potential upside if that fits your investment style or strategy. So if you would have bought 100 shares when it was first mentioned on our list and sold on Friday, you would have made approximately $600 with this trade. Now for our major watch list, as you can see here, we did have trades with great profits, but also had trades with losses, which is not a surprise for any trader. But what Mark is doing for the Platinum members is not only sharing the sellers to take profits, but also so that the members can minimize their losses if a stock suddenly goes down for some reason. So if you have been following our swing trades since 2023 and were to trade 100 shares each of the stocks that were listed, you would have made over $16,000 at this point. So again, this is never financial advice, and the members can make their own decision on what stock to buy based on their interest and their risk tolerance level. But Mark would be sharing all his research and chart analysis along with weekly Zoom calls so that the members can make better decisions and make more profits with their swing trades. So with that, if you're interested in these swing trade updates, daily ticker suggestions, educational content, and live Q&A with Mark on a weekly basis, make sure you join our Platinum member in the description below so that we can make it through this tough market together. I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the weekly Zoom calls so that we could share great insights together. Thank you very much, and see you on our next update video.